Namaste. Here in this video, I'll give a quick explanation of the concept of chakras, what I understood about the chakras. 7 chakras that are found within the body that when activated or balanced can create free flow of energy through the body and binds the physical body, mental state and spirituality. What are chakras and why we need to clear them? Chakras are nothing but wheel or focal points of spiritual energy that ensures physical, mental and emotional well-being. Any imbalance of it, excess of energy or deprivation of energies can cause disease or mental distress. Starting with the first, the root chakra or else known as Mooladhara chakra. It is located at the base of spine, a spinal cord, mostly associated with the feelings of safety and grounding. The seed mantra to activate Mooladhara chakra is Lam. The imbalance at this chakra is usually shown as the person having excess negativity, cynicism, doubtfulness, any eating disorders like eating more than needed, or sometimes the opposite, like starving, greedy feelings, avarice, excessive feelings of insecurity. If one person always feels like he or she is not safe anymore, then that is a sign that your root chakra is imbalanced. Certain affirmations and prayers you can say to yourself, like I am safe, the universe is a good place, everything's fine. I wish you abundance, health, deep sense of contentment and ease. Now, what you can do to clear your chakras? The root chakra. Physical exercises, walking, eating healthy food, organizing your home or life, and using certain essential oils, having earthly smells. Sacral chakra, or known as Swadhisthana chakra. It is located below the navel and mostly associated with the lymphatic system and a feeling of go with the flow. The seed mantra to activate Swadhisthana chakra is Vam. Imbalances found in this sacral chakra is dependency. You're dependent, you're codependent with others, or your emotions such as anger rules you, or the opposite, like feeling numb with no emotions at all. Overindulgence in fantasies or any obsessions, or the opposite, like lack of desires, satisfaction, or a feeling of being stuck in a particular mood. Certain affirmations and prayers you can say to yourself is like, pleasure is a secret part of my life. I give permission to enjoy my sexuality. The universe is full of sweetness and beauty. My life is graceful and pleasurable. I allow my emotions to flow in a healthy way. To clear your sacral chakra, spend time in moonlight and open water, rivers, ponds, etc. Surround with beauty. Make more time for spontaneity. Use certain perfumes. That helps. Solar plexus chakra, or known as Manipura chakra. It is located at our stomach area, mostly associated with the action of asserting ourselves in the world. The seed mantra to activate this chakra is Ram. Any imbalances found in this chakra are excessive control and authority over our environment or people, or the opposite, like a helpless feeling, like you cannot have a role in this world, or being irresponsible, being obsessed with the minute details of life as positive and negative, biasing the things like good versus bad or something like that, a lack of clarity or direction or any ambition, inefficient planning, etc. Certain affirmations and prayers you can say to yourself are like, I effectively manifest deep desires of my soul. I am capable and my needs are important. I can solve any problem that comes up. I respect myself and stand up for what I believe in. I wish you a clear sense of your infinite worth. the knowledge that the deep desires of your soul matter enormously, and an understanding that you are an immensely powerful being who can manifest those deep sacred desires. To clear your solar plexus chakra, participate in activities, dress and groom yourself, set a goal in life. If it's something big, break down into steps, and as per the timeline, achieve one by one. And of course, if you win at certain point, celebrate it. Heart chakra, also known as Anahata chakra. It is located at the center, very center of the chest, close to our heart. Mostly associated with hormone production and bridging the earthly and spiritual aspirations. The seed mantra to activate this chakra is Yam. Any imbalances in this chakra is found as being jealous of others, having fears of intimacy, overly defensive, or closed down to others, even to friends or to family or to any people in general. Being antisocial or being a recluse, holding grudges, not able to forgive other people. And one more thing, people pleasing. You are never enough for the people. You need constant approval of others in order to feel that you have done something good. Something like that, people pleasing. So certain affirmations and prayers you can say to yourself is, may I enjoy peace, may I enjoy good health and abundance of love. To clear your heart chakra, we can practice unconditional love, kindness, or any respiratory exercises, diaphragm exercises. Managing emotions such as love, grief, hatred, anger, jealousy, betrayal, loneliness. Have self-compassion, self-love, and radiate that to others outward. Throat chakra, also known as Vishuddha chakra. It is located at the base of our throat, associated with self-expression and communication. The seed mantra to activate this chakra is Hum. Any imbalances at this chakra can be like gossiping, speaking too much, uncontrollable talking, not able to listen to others, or the other extent, fear of speaking, having an imperceptible voice, excess secretiveness, shyness, lying to oneself and others, unable to keep secrets or unable to keep the promise or the word given. In that case, certain affirmations and prayers that you can say to yourself are, I express myself with confidence, I speak lovingly, I speak my truth openly and freely, I honor my opinion. To clear your throat chakra, you can practice some powerful mantra like Om, Om Mani Padme Hum chanting, journaling your thoughts, sound healing, breathing, any color therapy like usage of more blue, saying thank you to your life, laughing, screaming, listening, doing yoga practices, singing to yourself, drinking water, practicing silence, and being assertive of when to say no to someone. Ajna chakra, that is the third eye chakra. It is located between the eyebrows on our forehead, mostly associated with intuition, foresight, and imagination. The seed mantra to activate this chakra is Any imbalances that affects this chakra is a lack of clarity of the bigger picture of what is going around you, not able to see the greater picture, feeling stuck in daily grind and not able to find or look beyond your problems, rejecting everything that is spiritual or beyond. I mean, having the thought that you are just a physical body. No, you are something more than that. Or overactive chakra can cause fantasies. You believe in fantasies than reality. Having no vision for oneself, always in an illusion. In that case, Certain affirmations and prayers you can say to yourself is, my mind is clear and agile. I envision and create beauty and goodness. My imagination is vivid and powerful. I am open to wisdom within me. I am open to greater and greater spiritual awareness. May your wisdom serve others. May your insight bring you new levels of spiritual awareness. May you understand your true nature. May you see clearly in every way. To heal your third eye chakra, usage of a dream journal can be helpful. Sitting in upright position so that the energy flow can be easy. Stargazing, practicing more intellectual things, using your wisdom, your intuition, etc. Ask universe a question and patiently wait for the answer. Crown chakra, also known as Sahasrara chakra. It is located at the top of our head, the crown of our head, the crown area. Associated with consciousness, transcendence, brain and our nervous system. The seed mantra to activate this chakra is Om. Om or Om, however you say it. Any imbalances in this chakra can be a disconnection to the spirituality, constant cynicism for what is sacred, living in our head and having no interest in the earthly matters, over obsession with spirituality, or disconnection with the body. In that case, affirmations and prayers that you can say to yourself are, I accept myself completely. I am free of limiting beliefs. I am connected spiritually. I am at peace. I honor the divine within me. I am divinely supported. To clear your crown chakra, you can use amethyst, a stone, for your meditation practices. When there is excess energy at the crown chakra, you feel depressed or you are alienated from life, sometimes lack of empathy. So appreciate the beauty of existence instead of being depressed and bored or fed up with life. Meditation and not believing your every thoughts. Energy work, massage, chanting Om, and being open to universal guidance.